Hey guys, it's Sonia, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve 3 easy looks using the same glitter from our brand new Pitch Perfect collection. We're going to kick things off with a glitter gradient, so here I'm applying 2 coats of Pitches Gone Wild, and this is a black jelly polish packed with holographic sparkle, and once that was dry, I prepped around my cuticles with precision peel for really easy cleanup. Now it's time for the star of the video. I took this brand new glitter called Last Call Confetti and I applied it to the corner of a makeup sponge, and I went ahead and dabbed that to the tops of my nail. Then I just used the brush to kind of fill in any empty spaces, and if you wanted to, you could totally sponge glitter onto the tips of your nails as well and get a different gradient. Our photographer actually took a photo like that and it's absolutely gorgeous, so again, it's totally up to you guys. After some super easy cleanup, thanks to precision peel, I went ahead and pressed down any glitters that got lifted up when I peeled the mess away, and then I finished with a nice generous coat of our glossy top coat. Our next design is kind of a fun color blocked mani, so here I started with Deep Treble. I did 2 coats and let that completely dry, and then I followed up with Pitches Be Crazy just right on the tip. Don't worry about getting that edge perfect. If you really want to, you can use tape or something, but we're just going to cover our mistakes with glitter, so honestly, don't worry about it. So here I'm just using the brush to tap glitter onto my nail where those 2 colors meet, and I'm placing glitter above and below on either side to kind of give it that gradient effect. Now it's time for glossy top coat, and you get this really cool, unique design. This last look is for whoever is looking for full coverage. You guys know what time it is. We're about to sponge this glitter on. I applied 1 coat of Last Call Confetti, let that completely dry, and in the meantime, I prepped around my nail with precision peel. You definitely don't want to skip this step or else you're going to be scraping glitter off your nail until the end of time. Then I applied the glitter onto a makeup sponge and I dabbed it onto my nail. I want to say I repeated this process maybe 2 to 3 times, but make sure that you allow the glitter to dry between coats so that you're able to build up opacity. Then I just peeled away that liquid latex for really easy cleanup. I finished with 2 coats of top coat to get this fully smooth, and you are left with the most amazingly, dazzlingly blinding hollow nails. That's it for today's video. The full Pitch Perfect collection along with the movie are available for purchase right now, so I'm going to go ahead and link them in the description box, and until next time, we'll see you soon.